Right then, ladybirds, second part of today's recap. We're thinking about the two ways. Oh, I need a pen with that. We're thinking about the two ways you can read this this digraph here. So we've got that digraph and that digraph. So if I sound this word out, I've got k, ow, cow. But if I sound this one out, I go b, ow, blow. That's not quite right, is it? Now remember, there are two ways to read this digraph. You have got ow in cow, or you have got this word here where it makes an O sound. So we read this one, b-l-o, blow. So, like we've been doing before, I'd like you to help me sort these words now, whether they are ow or whether they are O. So, we know that we work these out by reading them and seeing which one is which. So the first one I want you to have a go at reading is this one. Owd, crowd. Is that right? Does it go under cow or does it go under O? Yes, you're right, it goes under ow. Okay, you can do thumbs up if you like. Right. So for parents, just so you know, this is part of phase 5 where the children are starting to learn about the alternative pronunciations of digraphs that they've already learnt. Because as we know, the English language is incredibly complicated. So the children really have to learn to be detectives in working out how to spell words. So next one then. Clown, clown. Does that sound right? Yeah. Is it going over here or is it going over here? Yes, you're right. It's going over here. I'm suddenly wondering how many of each word I've done. Okay. Right. Next one then. Oh, I've lost my pen now down the radiator. Okay, next one. Right. So, ow, flow. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't think that one sounds right. Try it with an O sound. F-o, flow. Does that sound better? So, hands up if you think it's an ow. Hands up if you think it's an O. Yes, you're right. It's an O. Fantastic. Flow. Okay. Whoops. Okay, flow. Lovely. This one here then. Ow, now. Yep, that one's definitely right down there. Okay. And then I've got one here. Ow, snow. Snow? No, that's not right, is it? Snow. Snow, lovely. Snow. Now my final word here is a longer word. Have a go at reading it by yourselves. Fantastic. So it's window. Does it belong on the ow side or does it belong on the O side? Window. It belongs on the O side. Now, this is where it gets really tricky because we start to think about what might be the spelling rule. So these O's here usually tend to go at the end of a word. So you've got it at the end of the word here and all of those words. However, there are some tricky ows as well, like cow and now, where it goes at the end. But this one does tend to go in the middle of words more than this one that goes at the end of words. So that's just a little second recap of a spelling rule that we've learned recently. Fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys.